The natural laws the humans live by. Collection as communities to evolve your own self and struggle and fight with your problems you must be have any time with your family to relax like Mr. Soknath's family. He is working at Poipet Casino online 12 hours a day, but he has time for his family and play football at night time with his boss and his friends like Mr. Heng Tomo Kim Nan Chet U Sambat at Diom Srol Stadium. Now I would like to talk about his family and the lifestyle in the past activities. Now his family is a peasant family that has many members in Khmer nation. Cambodian people believe in Buddhist religion. Mr. Soknath was married on the 14th of April 2014 at Battambang Province, Kantuot Village, Kadol Duntef Communes, Battambang District. Now Mr. Sonath has 2 children. Older child is boy, his named Thunna, and younger is girl, her name is Monica. He always traveling everywhere with his family by motorcycles with happiness to any time. In Cambodia, as you already known, Cambodia has a lot of beautiful places visited, like Angkor Wat Temple. Cambodia Tourism is about tropical beaches, historical monuments, lively nightlife and beautiful countryside. Due to its moderate tropical weather, Cambodia has been attracting thousands of tourists every year. During travel to Cambodia experiences some of its best days in the cold and dry months. From November to February it is the peak tourist season in Cambodia, when the temperature goes down to 20 degrees Celsius, making the Cambodia trip experience very pleasant and exciting. For the tourists, the city of Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia, is a fine specimen of the country's contemporary culture, people, and religion. In Cambodia, with 97% of followers, Buddhism is the main religion in the country. The history of the country also plays an important role in developing Cambodia tourism industry, because people visit the place to take a look at the marvelous architecture of various buildings and temples that were built during the 12th century. Being a beautiful country in Southeast Asia, there are many Cambodia tourist attractions and things to do in Cambodia, which people must take note of while visiting this country. Temples in Cambodia. Some of the best places to visit in Cambodia include Angkor Wat, Bayan Temple and lots more, which are famous for their architectural designs, their important significance in history, and add to the beauty of Cambodia. One must consult a guide to know more about Cambodia's historical places and ancient monuments. Coco is also one such site where there are a number of beautiful buildings to have a sneak peek in the history of Cambodia upon. Not from these places, there are many things to do in Cambodia that one must try at least once during their stay in this city to have a wonderful once-in-a-lifetime experience. Some of the things to do in Cambodia include watching the Apsara dance, which is a stage show where the dancers are dressed beautifully to portray a nice story in the form of a distinguished art. Cambodia tourism is developing because of activities like these that keep the people involved and wanting more. Nightlife in Cambodia. Pub Street in Siem Reap is a great spot to experience the vibrant nightlife of the country. Several night shows and after-hours parties can be enjoyed at the hippie bars in Kotui Village. Angkor Night Market is another popular spot to hang out after the sunset. Beaches in Cambodia. The tempting white beaches in Cambodia's compound Sum province are the emerging destinations in Southeast Asia. Soccer Beach and Independence Beach are lined with luxury resorts and hotels, while a Kutil Beach and Serendipity Beach are popular among the backpacker crowd. Shopping in Cambodia. Shopping in Cambodia can also be an exhilarating experience. One can refer to the tour guide in order to know about Cambodia markets and all the things that one needs to buy in the country. The nightlife of Cambodia is also very vibrant and lively, with a number of bars and clubs present in the country. The night market of Cambodia is also quite famous amongst the tourists. One must refer to a Cambodia guide in order to get all the information about Cambodia. A map is a must to travel to the city, which has many confusing routes and roads where tourists might get lost. The best mode of transportation in this country is the bus. There are other options like trains, boats, taxis, etc. Thank you Sok Nat for giving interview. Bye bye Sok Nath, see you soon later.